Imagine walking into a room where your fears, your worries, and your deepest thoughts are not only heard but understood. Picture a space where every fragment of your story, no matter how dark or twisted, finds light and acceptance. This is the essence of a therapy session, a journey not just to heal, but to transform. Therapy is more than a buzzword in today's mental health discussions. It is a lifeline. It offers a structured, safe space where individuals can explore their emotions, thoughts, and behaviors with a professional guide. Unfortunately, many people harbor misconceptions about therapy, imagining it as a sign of weakness or an option only for those with severe mental issues. This couldn't be further from the truth. Therapy is designed to provide support and growth for anyone willing to open themselves to the process, regardless of their mental health status. Within the walls of therapy rooms, countless individuals find solace and strength. The stigma surrounding therapy often deters individuals from seeking the help they desperately need. Society sometimes views mental health issues as personal failings rather than legitimate health concerns. Fear of judgment from others can be paralyzing. People worry about what friends, family, or employers might think if they learned about their therapy sessions. Moreover, internal doubts about the effectiveness of therapy contribute to hesitancy. People wonder if talking about their problems can really bring about change, influenced by societal beliefs that underestimate the power of professional psychological support. Admitting the need for help is a monumental step in anyone's life. It requires acknowledging that some aspects of life are beyond one's own capacity to resolve without professional intervention. Making the first therapy appointment is often the hardest part. It involves overcoming internal and external barriers and making a commitment to oneself. The emotional preparation for therapy is crucial. Setting realistic expectations and being open to the process can significantly influence the outcome of the therapeutic journey. A typical therapy session is structured to maximize patient comfort and therapeutic efficiency. Sessions usually last about an hour, providing enough time to delve deep without overwhelming the patient. Therapists employ a range of techniques, from cognitive behavioral therapy to psychoanalysis, tailored to the individual's needs. These methods are designed to uncover underlying issues and foster healthy coping mechanisms. The therapist's role is not to judge or dictate, but to facilitate self-exploration and support the patient in their path to recovery. Real-life stories of therapy often speak louder than any statistics. They are testimonies to the transformative power of consistent, compassionate professional help. Individuals from all walks of life share how therapy helped them rebuild from trauma, mend strained relationships, and rediscover joy in their daily lives. These stories not only highlight personal victories, but also serve as beacons of hope for others who might still be hesitant to take that first step towards healing. Changing the negative perceptions surrounding therapy is crucial. High-profile celebrities and public figures openly discussing their own therapy experiences have begun to shift public opinion. Educational campaigns and mental health awareness events also play significant roles. They provide factual information and dismantle myths, making the idea of seeking therapy more acceptable and understood. Society's evolving perspective is slowly but surely making therapy a recognized and respected tool for personal development and emotional well-being. Therapy is not a one-size-fits-all solution. Across the globe, various cultures integrate their unique practices and beliefs into therapeutic processes. In some cultures, therapy includes community involvement and traditional healing practices, while in others, it follows a more Western medical model. Understanding and respecting these differences is crucial for the global mental health community, as it seeks to make therapy accessible and effective for diverse populations. The advent of technology in mental health has introduced online therapy, allowing individuals to receive help without leaving the comfort of their homes. Online therapy offers numerous advantages, including accessibility for those in remote or underserved areas and anonymity for those concerned about privacy. Despite some challenges, such as ensuring the security of confidential information, the benefits of digital therapy sessions are reshaping the landscape of mental health services. Therapy's impact extends beyond the individual, influencing their relationships and interactions with the world. Emotional healing allows for healthier relationships and more effective communication. Professionally guided therapy helps individuals understand and manage their emotions, leading to improved overall life satisfaction and functionality. Such profound changes not only benefit the individuals, but ripple out to their communities, fostering a healthier society. The benefits of therapy are universal, yet many still believe it's only for certain types of people, those with severe mental health issues or those in crisis. This misconception prevents many who could benefit from therapy from ever seeking help. It's essential to recognize that therapy is a tool for everyone seeking personal growth or struggling with life's challenges. Encouraging inclusivity in therapy means promoting the message that mental health care is as critical as physical health care and should be accessible to all. Not all therapy experiences are successful on the first try. It's important for individuals to understand that this does not mean therapy is ineffective. Sometimes a different therapeutic approach or therapist may be needed. Alternative therapies or support groups can also be beneficial. Continuing the journey despite setbacks is crucial. It's part of the process of finding what works best for each individual's unique needs. The future of therapy looks promising with ongoing innovations in techniques and technologies. From virtual reality therapy to AI-enhanced therapeutic tools, new methods are being developed to enhance treatment effectiveness. Predictions for the future also include a broader acceptance of therapy as part of regular health maintenance, much like going to the gym for physical health. These innovations and changing perceptions are likely to make therapy more accessible and less stigmatized, continuing to transform lives worldwide. If you're considering therapy, remember that it's a step towards understanding and healing yourself. Don't let stigma or fear hold you back. And if you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your engagement helps us reach more people and break the stigma surrounding mental health. Therapy is more than just a series of sessions. It's a gateway to a better, healthier life. Each session is a step towards not just healing, but thriving. Don't forget to check the description box for our recommended health products that might aid in your wellness journey. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment below to join our community dedicated to promoting mental health and wellness.